Okay.
Where are you from?
Hello, my beautiful love muffin. Thank you for joining me today. It's Chandi, and I'm really tickled because I'm going to be demonstrating how to knit our 7-in-1 wine country wrap pattern today. And if you've been following me for any length of time, you may have seen my previous videos where I show you how to style this little beauty 7 different ways. It's really a miraculous pattern, and on how to knit the I-cords that you're gonna need to do that styling. Have a watch if you wanna check those videos out. This pattern is really incredible, magical I say, because you can actually use any combination of yarn weights and colors to make this pattern. For example, this main sample here used 2 different DK weight yarns and a worsted weight yarn, and you can see how beautiful that looks. And here is another little sample for you. Look at this beauty. This is actually a lace weight, a worsted weight, and a DK weight in different colors, and this is a nice frosty, beautiful version. So you can use virtually any combination of yarn weights, and it makes this gorgeous, very versatile pattern. In order to get started making this pattern, here are the supplies that you're gonna need. You will need US size 8 5.0 millimeter needles, just long enough that it will hold all of your stitches, and whatever yarn lights your heart up. For the size shown, you are gonna need to cast on 65 stitches using the long tail cast on method. I'm just gonna do 21 stitches today just to keep it short and sweet. Okay, let's go ahead and start with row number 1. You're gonna begin with a knit stitch, and then you're gonna knit 2 together. So just insert into 2 stitches and knit them together, and that decreases. Then do a yarn over, knit, purl, then you're gonna repeat across your row, knit 3, purl. 1, 2, 3, purl, and again, 1, 2, 3, purl. And if you're doing the full version, you'll do that several more times until you get to the final stitches. Then you're going to work knit 3, purl, knit, knit 2 together, yarn over, and finish with a knit stitch. And that's row 1. Now onto row number 2. For row number 2, you're going to start with a knit stitch, and then work knit 2 together. So insert into 2 stitches and knit those 2 together. Then work a yarn over, knit 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to repeat across, knit 1, purl 3, 2, 3, again, knit 1, purl 3, and keep going till you get to your final few stitches. Then you're going to knit 2, knit 2 together, then work a yarn over and a knit stitch. And there you have row 2. Okay, let's do row 3. Row number 3, you have already got this. We're just going to repeat row 1. So go ahead and work a knit stitch, and then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit, and purl. Then the part you repeat across is knit 3, purl. So knit 2, 3, purl, again, knit, 2, 3, and purl. And when you get to the end of your row, you're going to finish with a knit 3, 2, 3, purl, knit, knit 2 together, then work a yarn over and knit. And there you have row 3. Super easy. Alrighty, we have made it to row 4. Okay, row number 4, we're going to start with a knit stitch and a knit 2 together. You're going to find a lot of repeating stitches in these rows. It's very simple. Then work a yarn over. Then you're going to knit 2, yarn over again. Then we're going to purl 3 together. This is very exciting. So you literally bring your yarn to the front and insert your needle into 3 stitches and purl all 3 stitches together. Quite magical. Then work a yarn over. Okay, the part that we repeat across is knit, yarn over, purl 3 together, and yarn over. So let's do it again. Knit, yarn over, purl 3 together, yarn over. Then when you get to your final stitches, you're going to knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, and work a knit stitch. There's row number 4. Let's go ahead and do row number 5. Let's go ahead and start with a knit stitch. Then you're going to do a knit 2 together, then yarn over, knit 3, purl 1, knit 2, 3, purl 1. Then the part that you repeat across is knit 3, purl 1, knit 2, 3, purl 1, again, knit 2, 3, purl 1. Then when you get to the end, you're going to do knit 3, 2, 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, work a knit stitch. Very simple. Next is row 6. Okay, for row number 6, we're going to start with you guessed it, a knit stitch. And then a knit 2 together. All very exciting stuff. Then you're going to work a yarn over, a knit stitch, then you're going to purl 2. 1 and 2. The part you repeat across is knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 2, 3. Again, knit 1, purl 2, 3. And when you do get to the end, you're going to do a knit stitch, purl 2, a knit stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, and finish with a knit stitch. And there's row number 6. Now let's work row 7. For row number 7, we're just going to repeat row 5. You've already got this, you're good. So let's go ahead and work a knit stitch and a knit 2 together. Knit, knit 2 together, yarn over, then we're going to work a knit 3 and purl 1. Knit 2, 3, yarn to the front, purl 1. Then the part that we repeat across the row is knit 3, purl 1. So knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, purl 1, again, knit 2, 3, purl 1. Then you're going to finish with a knit 3, 2, 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, and knit. And there's row 7. And finally, we have made it to row number 8. So let's do that. Okay, last row that we have to learn. Row number 8, you're gonna start with a knit stitch and then a knit 2 together. You may be seeing a pattern here. Okay, then you're gonna work a yarn over and a knit stitch. Then you're gonna bring your yarn to the front and work a purl 2 together. That's just where you insert your right needle into 2 stitches and purl them together, like so. Then a yarn over. All right, now the part that you repeat across is knit, yarn over, purl 3 together. So insert into 3 stitches and purl them all together. I like doing that, that's a really fun one. And a yarn over. So we'll do that again. Knit, yarn over, purl 3 together, and yarn over. Then when you've done that all the way across your row, you're gonna finish with a knit, a yarn over, a purl 2 together, a knit stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, and knit. And there are the 8 rows that you're just going to repeat over and over and over for your pattern. And there you have it, a beautiful, easy, magical wrap pattern that can be worn in all kinds of different ways. And I just imagine you sitting there on an afternoon with your tea set and your favorite tea, your favorite book, and you're curled up in your beautiful wrap, just feeling very fancy and cozy, knowing that you made it yourself because you are awesome, and don't you forget it. All right, thank you for being with me today. I'm gonna see you next time, and you go out and have a wonderful day. Bye for now. And I'm fading fast. Hold on. Oh, the pressure. I'm losing my mojo. I'm nervous. Don't look at me real quick. You can't do that on a video. It's different. I'm still live. Still live on TV. Bye for now.